Hundreds of projects in parallel. Thousands of decisions. One question: who sees the whole picture? Across every project, every team, every resource. Every team is trying to make the right decision from its own perspective. But one change in one project can affect capacity, timelines, and commitments 3 projects away. By the time the impact is visible, the decision window is often gone. This is what Allex was built for. One live platform that connects projects, teams, resources, and stakeholders into a shared operational reality, and uses AI, predictions, and risk analysis to do what no single tool can: reveal what happens next across the entire portfolio. Simulations shows what changes mean for capacity, timelines, and commitments, and feedback loops that used to run across several tools and endless meetings now close in seconds. So you stop reacting and start forecasting. The result? Better collaboration across teams and stakeholders, and significantly more project throughput with the same resources. Allex is developed with industrial customers by people who understand multi-project execution, trusted in demanding industrial environments, designed to integrate with your existing tech stack. Because when everyone sees the same picture, decisions move earlier, and teams can focus on the work that matters most. Your whole company finally in sync.